Okay, solving financial problems on profit and loss naman. Okay, when we say profit, nag-gain, kumita yung business. Loss, bumaba, nalugi. Okay, so, when you buy and sell goods or services, you may either first, profit or gain. When we say profit, the amount earned when SP is greater than CP. Later, let us identify the meaning of SP and CP. Kapag naman anak loss, nalugi. Okay, the amount lost when CP is greater than SP. Now, what is SP and CP? SP, selling price. Selling price, the price at which the item is sold. Kung magkano mo na ibenta. That is the selling price. And then when we say CP, the cost price, the price at which an item is bought. Kung magkano mo binili. Okay, selling price, nabenta. Kung magkano mo nabenta. Cost price, magkano mo binili. Okay, so M, profit, loss, and loss percentage or profit loss percentage. How much profit or loss is made compared to the cost expressed as a percent. Okay, so this time, these are the formulas to calculate the profit or gain and loss. So first, this is the formula to find the profit or gain. So profit is equal to, what is SP again? Selling price minus cost price. So isasubtract lang natin yan para malaman natin yung kinita natin. And then how to calculate the profit percentage. So yung kinita mo, i-divide mo lang sa cost price and then i-times kay 100. Ganun din po dito. Okay, loss, nalugi. Umiyak siya. Okay, so this will become baliktad naman. Cost price minus selling price. So how to calculate the loss percent? Loss divided by the cost price times 100%. So this time, let us use that formula to answer the given problem. Okay, a vendor buys mangoes for 1,500 and sells them for 1,950. Okay, find the profit and profit percent. Do you think kumita by vendors? Magkano nga nabili yung mango? 1,500. Isang box na yon anak. Or probably isang kain yon. So, binili daw ng vendor yung mangga sa halagang 1,500. At naibenta niya ito sa halagang 1,950. O ano yung cost price natin doon? Cost price, yung inilabas niyang pera. Iyon po yun, 1,500. And then yung selling price, magkano niya naibenta? Okay, ito po yun, 1,950. Ang tinatanong, magkano kaya ang kanyang tinubo? Okay, paano kukunin si 450? Isasubtract lang natin si selling price kay cost price. What is selling price? 1,950 minus 1,500. And that is, yan yung kinita niya, yan yung profit. Okay, ngayon tinatanong, profit percent. Paano malalaman ilang percent yung kinita niya? Okay, just divide the profit by the cost price. Okay, ano yung, magkano kinita niya? 450, and then ano yung cost price? Okay, i-divide lang natin yan. And then pag nakuha natin yung sagot, anak, ita-times naman natin kay 100. 450 divided by 1,500. 0.3 times 100. Meaning, meron siyang 30% na kinita. Easy money. Okay, ibig sabihin, bakit nga kaya anak nabenta ng mas mataas yung mango? Mas mataas na halaga. Very good. Kasi mas maganda yung quality ng mango. Sa tingin nyo ba anak kung yung mangga ay bulok, maibebenta niya ng mas mataas? Okay, nakadepende pa rin yun anak sa quality ng product.